When your production line is at a time crunch, every moment counts. Every personal, crucial. And every second matters. But try as you may, timing can still be a witch. No power, no work is done, no profit is made. Nobody is happy. The end. If only you have an energy visibility solution like IoT Envion. You'll get an alert from IoT Envion if something needs attending. Without needing to wait, you can fix the problem right away. So a problem like this can be averted. Power failure can have real consequences to your business. But with IoT Envion, it won't be the end of the world. So, keep your power on with IoT Envion. Ready to save the day? You might not be in the business of saving the world, but whether in telecommunication, finance, manufacture, or utilities, you can always be on top of things. By monitoring your power usage and its distribution, you can mitigate risks, increase productivity, and keep operations cost efficient. If that sounds like a lot of savings to you, then IoT Envion is the energy visibility solution for you. Find out more right here.